So my delivery from Brendan Fallis's new brand arrived, and I thought I'd give you guys a look at what I got. I wanted to try out his brand because I think he has a sense of style, and he had these black espresso cups that I thought were lovely. And you know how I love my espresso, so I'm like, let me see. First of all, it came really fast, so that's anything. And it's got the signature phallus branding on it. Nice. If you guys are wondering what these things are, my husband gives me these like recycling things for when I have like tissue on the desk and that type of thing to throw away. It's so nice. So here they are. Now, to you it might just look like a black cylinder, but they are the cutest little replica coffee cups, um, porcelain, and they're matte black. That's why I love them, and I can't wait to use these. And it'll give me just enough espresso. So this is gonna be a plus for me. I love these. As soon as I saw them, I liked them. I knew I was gonna get them, and I was impressed with the branding on them. So yeah, check out Brendan Fallis. It's pretty cool new brand. He's not new, but his branding is new. So check it out. That's all.